Yes, mister?
Как член-корреспондент.
Да, как член-корреспондент.
Хорошо, я готов.
Alright, we're gonna start a pre-trip inspection outside of the vehicle, part A. Clearing slides in the top of the cab. It's mounting secure, no crack, no damage, no missing lens, amber color, and should be work. Bracket of the convex mirror, properly attached to the hood, no missing hardware, no twisted, bended, cracked, no missing glass, and clean. Headlights, turn signal lights, clearance lights, and four-way flasher lights. Properly colored, no missing lens, no shifted, no losing, clean, and should be working. Then you have to take a look underneath of the engine. No puddle on the ground, no leaking oil, and antifreeze. Now we have to open the roof.
А эту сторону мы не просто одну сторону. Окей.
Двумя руками берешь, открываешь, придерживаешь. Passenger side. Alternator. It's a belt driven, properly secured to the engine, no missing bolts, no crack, no damage. On the side of the alternator, wires is properly connected. Water pump. It's a belt driven, properly secured to the engine, no crack, no damage. Two hoses tight and secure with the clamps, no visible leak. The serpentine belt, no crack, no fray, and the tension of the belt should be between 1/2 to 3/4 of the inch. General overview, all rubber hoses on this side of the engine, properly secure with the clamps, no abrasion, bulges, cut, no visible or audible leaking. We have to continue to the driver's side. Air compressor. It's a gear driven, properly secured to the engine, no crack, no damage. Main air line, tight and secure, no audible leak. Governor, properly attached to the air compressor, no crack, no damage. Two hoses tight and secure, no air leaking. Power steering pump. It's a gear driven, properly secured to the engine, no crack, no damage. Two hoses tight and secure with the clamps, no visible leak. General overview, all rubber hoses on this side of the engine, properly secure with the clamps, no abrasion, bulges, cut, no visible or audible leaking. Cooling reservoir, secured to the bracket with the hardware, no missing, no sign of the leak. Cap tight and secure, no broken. Level should be above it. Power steering fluid reservoir, secured to the bracket, no missing hardware, no sign of the leak. Cap tight and secure, no broken. Level should be visible and about the min. Oil level dipstick. Значит, не вытаскиваем полностью его physical. Значит, you have to just describe. You have to take care, wipe it, put it back, take care again, make sure the level is refill mark. Steering wheel shaft. Free play no more than 10 degrees. No bended, crack, damage. Properly secure both sides with the U-joints, lubricated, no missing any parts. Steering gearbox attached to the frame, no missing hardware, no crack. Two hoses, high and low pressure line, tight and secure, no visible leak. Pitman arm, drag-link, upper control arm, lower control arm, and tie rod, no bended, crack, damage, properly secure with the castle nut and cotter pin. Suspension system, leaf springs, no missing, no losing, no shifted, no crack, tight and secure both sides with the spring hangers. Spring hanger attached to the frame, no missing hardware, no crack, no illegal welding repairs. Two U-bolts, no missing, no losing, no rusted, no crack, tight and secure to the saddle and to the axle. Shock absorber, no hydraulic leaking in the portion area, no bended, crack, damage, secured to the bracket with the hardware, and rubber bushing inside, no visible damage. Air brake system, air hose, it's a rubber, no abrasion, bulges, cut, no air leak. ABS line, secure with the clamps, no cut, no abrasion. Air brake chamber, secure with the hardware, no missing. C-clamp, tight and secure, no broken. And air brake chamber, no visible damage, no air leak. Push rod and slack adjuster. Free play no more than 1 inch when you release the brake. Push rod no bended, no missing clavis pin with the cutter key. Inside of the wheel, brake lining, no less 1/4 inch thickness. Brake drum, no crack, no damage, properly secure. Between lining and drum, no oil or debris. Inside of the rim, no crack, no illegal welding repairs. Inside of the tire, no cut, no bulges. Thread depth front of the wheel should be no less 4/32 of an inch, evenly worn, no recap or regroovable. Outside of the tire, no cut, no bulges. Rim, no crack, no illegal welding repairs. Lug nuts, no missing, no losing, no rust, no shiny threads which is indicate the looseness. Hub seal, no missing hardware, no sign of the leak. Valve stem, no broken, no missing, no air leak. Cup is present. You have to check pressure by air gauge. Pressure should be manufacturer specification of the tire. Stop the video.